Your business runs on data, but when that data lives across clouds, databases, and warehouses, teams often spend time moving it instead of using it to drive insights. The result is familiar: manual pipelines, heavy engineering overhead, duplicated storage costs, agents working with stale context. It doesn't have to be this costly and complex. Microsoft Fabric Data Factory brings data into one lake from across your clouds, databases, and warehouses. Unified, governed, and AI-ready by design. Your data, ready when you are. With our unique approach to mirroring, operational data replicates into one lake in near real time, designed for zero ETL and lower latency. Data Flows Gen 2 lets your team visually prepare and transform data for analytics and AI, low-code, co-pilot assisted. So clean, structured data is ready when your business and models need it. The outcome is simple: a unified data foundation that powers analytics, BI, and AI across your environment. Trusted insights that become business-ready intelligence. Faster paths from data to AI agents, acting on fresh, business-aware context. Lower cost, more confidence, real value from your data. Microsoft Fabric Data Factory. Data in, value out.